Welcome back, HARBRO, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we have the weekend deal. The weekend deal, slightly different, but we'll explain why. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing and hyping, becoming a member, buying some merch. And here it is. Free gift weekend with any purchase. Normally when they do these, they have an ITC, which is also with any purchase. And the super coupon version of it will be if you spend $35 or more. But in this case, it doesn't look like there's an ITC. Maybe they'll surprise us. It is just an everybody coupon. And they have changed it to be with any purchase, which normally signals that it is for everybody. There's no ITC. But we'll hang tight. We'll see if something comes up, and if it does, we'll let you know. But here it is. Free gift with any purchase. Choose one of these 4 items. We have the 6-in-1 screwdriver / nut driver, the ultra bright LED work light 4-inch magnetic parts holder, and the 55-pound 19-gallon XXL bag. 4 excellent choices. We'll read through the fine print. Limit 1 coupon per customer per day. Valid in-store while supplies last. Valid the 2nd, so mark that, through the 4th. Coupon must be presented at time of use. Receive 1 free gift item from the following SKUs. And there's a lot more, but most of those are just different SKUs for the lights. Excludes or cannot be combined with other offers or prior purchases, which we asterisk that. Excludes inside track, club memberships, extended service plans, open box items, gift cards. Other restrictions may apply. 4 great free items. And let's just quickly look at the HARBRO calendar, which I try to use. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Weekend deal, April 2nd to the 4th. So we are on the 30th, which is today, Monday. This just kind of keeps track. We should be expecting new ITC deals starting Friday. These latest ITC deals go through Thursday the 2nd. Super coupons going right now. There'll be new super coupons starting the 14th. Instant savings right now, I believe, are going through the rest of the month. Haven't set up the dollar days, but there are dollar days going on right now and some new ones coming up soon. And then we have the weekend deal going from the 2nd to the 4th. So why not Sunday? Because Sunday is Easter Sunday, and Harbor Freight is closed Easter Sunday in observation of the holiday. Of course, we have our Easter Sunday logo here. So Harbor Freight, and I'm pretty sure, I think they're closed Easter Sunday. Someone correct me if I'm wrong. But because Easter Sunday, the weekend deal is pushed now, not pushed, but just in reverence to Thursday, Friday, Saturday, which for me is okay. We get to start the weekend deal a deal early on Thursday, and it goes Friday, Saturday. We'll take a day off for Easter Sunday, spend time with your loved ones, and then parking lot sale starting the 6th through the 13th. So that's why it's the 2nd to the 4th. And so let's just go through it, see which free items we're gonna get, what value we can get. And then at the end, I'll show you what you should get, what you should purchase to get these free items. So this is for everybody, not just ITC. We start with the 144 lumen ultra bright portable LED work light flashlight for a $1.99 value, $2 value. Performance tool. Flashlight runs 48 hours and it has a magnetic backing. It has a hook. It has a magnetic light in stock near my store. And it has over 46,000 reviews. 90-day warranty. Now let's just check out a few. Great purchase. Flashlight is amazing. Highly recommend. Light and powerful. Great quality. Home Depot better overall. Harbor Freight wins in price. Harbor Freight wins in price and value. Church member gatherings. Items for Western North Carolina mountains. Great little light for numerous uses. Here is my use of it. Necessary for our DP cabinets in our travel trailer. Nice, small, bright light. Lightweight, bright light. Very handy. I've had it for a few weeks now. Great purchase. And that's your $2 free item. Next, the 6-in-1 Pittsburgh screwdriver, nut driver, $3 value. NIRL pictures here. Multi-tooled screwdriver with 2 Phillips bits, 2 slotted bits, and 2 nut drivers. Lifetime warranty. That's nuts. Lifetime warranty. Over 13,000 reviews. Screwdriver with changeable bits, works as well as it can. He would make a video, but he only has 2 hands. Butt driver does not work. Well, if you have a butt driver that doesn't work, you'd have different issues. Handle does not age well. Well, it is lifetime warranty, so you could probably get it exchanged because the grip has been worn away. 6-in-1 tool. Quality has dropped, okay. If it breaks, lifetime warranty. Another win with Harbor Freight, general maintenance. Nice sewing machine, perfect to carry in the car. Cheap and effective. Nice handy screwdriver and nut driver. It is just a screwdriver. It's the best screwdriver. So there you go. Lifetime warranty, $3 value. Something that you can pick up. Next, Pittsburgh's 4-inch magnetic parts holder at $3. Magnetic dish keeps parts close at hand and even works upside down. We're going to test that. I wish. 12,000 reviews, 90-day warranty. And let's look at all the uses of HARBRO's. Magnetic dishes are great for office supplies, paper clips and binder clips, for quilting and sewing. Having a few of these is really handy. Needed magnetic parts bowl. Glue fell off, 2 months outdoor and mildly wind. Okay, 90 days though, you could get it warranted. Works well and is excellent value for the price. Non-marring rubber butt. Works great to hold nuts, bolts, and screws. Hold your bits tight. Don't hold them too tight though. Could cause issues in the future. Very useful, but I wish it were bigger. Me too. Me too. $3, 4 inches. We can work with. Magnetics parts holder compared to Husky. Great deal. Next and last one is the Harbor Freight 55-pound, 19-gallon double XL bag. Very well priced at 69 cents. And we'll get into what we want to buy to get these free items. And we have some devastating news. Not really, but shocking news. 69 cents though here. Great price. Nice price. Instant saving deal. Ends the 9th, so we'll be good. Double XL bag compared to Walmart. Great value. Durable double XL bag for carrying groceries, laundry, recycling, or bulky items. 90-day warranty. And of course, great tote bag. I have an 8-person tent with 8 poles, stakes, exactly the size needed. One of the HARBROettes sent a community chat where they had their kitty cat in the bag, which was amazing. Giant bag helps you get all your stuff together. Giant bag. Can't promise that you will keep it together, but this bag will allow you to get it together without letting the world know that you have also spent too much time at a Swedish store. I know what you're talking about. Sometimes the handle rips. 55 pounds. Still gave it 3 stars. 42 pounds of stuff in there. Brand new. 90-day warranty. Hopefully you can get a new one. Side business. Product delivery. Best log carrier ever. Not just for tools. You get the picture. Great value. Not Walmart related. 69 cents. So those are the 4 free items that you can get. We'll get into the what you should buy to get this free item. First thing we normally recommend, well, since we're here already, this will kind of be like bagception. It's on instant savings. It's 69 cents. You could technically get a bag and then put the other bag in it for free for 69 cents. This could be your one item that you purchase. Get 2 bags out of it. By the end of the weekend, you could have 6 bags in total for $2.10. Or if you go to multiple store locations, maybe have some more. But you could get the bag. This is great. 69 cents is an excellent value. And then the sad part, which I would normally recommend, and I still do, one last time, C.H. Hansen pencil. I used to say it was nicely sized and nicely priced, but they have raised the price on it. And I believe one of the HARBROs had told me a bit ago, but I didn't want to believe it. And here we are, 79 cents. So this will probably be, well, depending what we find. 79 cents, still okay. 7-inch is still really good. Nicely sized. Carpenter's pencil, C.H. Hansen. Contact me for sponsorship purposes. Get this and you can get one of your free items. But because they have raised the price on the pencil, we are now going to look into a new item. So true lowest priced item is the 1-inch chip brush, but we're going to go with the 2-inch chip brush. 69 cents, nicely priced. 2 inches, we're going to have to deal with. That's okay though. We're not size queens. Great value for general purpose cleaning, applying adhesives, or use with caustic materials. And a paintbrush isn't bad to have. You can use it for more than just paint. You can use it as a duster. 90-day warranty, 1,500 reviews, and they have used it for painting. They painted a horse. Great for roof repair. Good cheap paintbrush. Craft. Look at that. That's awesome. I make gnomes and these paintbrushes out of these paintbrushes. Gnome paintbrushes. One-time use brush. Pick up a few. Was exactly what I needed for the job. Perfect for my needs. Perfect for my wife's crafts project. Was not expecting to see that. 69 cent 2-inch brush. Great to get one of your free items, or You could get the 59-cent brush. That's okay. 1-inch chip brush. Size is not good, but 59 cents is okay. And I believe people are using this for the same. Oh, they have them all the same because this is the 2, 1, 3, and 4-inch chip brushes. So great options for the free items. Of course, the 69-cent tote bag. And actually, this is a bit of a sleeper here. Let me know if the HARBROs have used one of these. It comes in 4 colors, which is already surprising. The color snap blade utility knife. Always have a fresh edge with this snap blade utility knife. 79 cents. A little bit higher than what we're used to. 90-day warranty. Cheap product. Yes, we know. Perfect tool. Yes, I would buy again. Cheap, easy to use. I needed it to cut foam, board, insulation, mini utility knife. Neutered my tree. Use it all the time. Anyways, those are great options. And then the other places, which it says you might not be able to combine, but dollar days are always a good option. You have the 1-inch roller ball bearing at $1, the 6-inch torpedo level with magnetic strip for $1, the scraper for $1, hose mender for $1, and then a few other items, the $3 65-pound magnetic decor hooks, the $4 precision screwdriver set with molded handle 6-piece. Again, great options, tarp bros, camo tarp. But I'll leave it at that. We've done a semi-deep dive on the free tools starting April 2nd, Thursday, through Saturday, April 4th, observing Easter Sunday on Sunday. And I'll leave it at that, HARBROs. What are you going to pick up? Let me know what you're going to purchase to get your free gift if you're going to go in. Sometimes some of the HARBROs live pretty far away. Don't think the gas is worth it. But let me know whether you're going in or even if you're not. And as always, happy harbor freighting, happy shopping, good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.